What's up guys, welcome to the first episode of Project Blue. Yes, I know, my car's blue. I just named this Project Blue. Today I'm actually at T's house with his girlfriend Ivy. They actually work on a car here, a black for us, that they picked up. There's his race car in the background. That's my goal one day, guys. That's my inspiration. If you guys can see, I took out the front bumper with T's help. So we got the splitter off, got the bumper off. The reason why I'm here today is because I'm actually picking up an oil cooler from him. So I have two choices. I have the Mishimoto oil cooler, or I can go with the Perrin. Honestly, I don't really know. I like Perrin a lot. I have a lot of Perrin car parts on my car, so it'd be kind of cool. But the Mishimoto is a little bit nicer. So I don't know. We'll see. But he's currently looking for little brackets to help me mount the oil cooler itself on a little plastic thing right here. Oil cooler, super important. I feel like I'm gonna be tracking my car a lot more often than I did last year. Last year I only did, what, 2 track days? Actually, yeah, I only did 2 track days last year. I've already done 1 already, and it's like still like early in the year. So I'm planning to do 1 this upcoming Sunday as well. Oil cooler is a must for sure to prolong the life of the engine for the inevitable time when it blows up and then we swap in like a, I don't know, K20 or something. Here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, turn
it'd be like that.
It'd really be like that.
It'd be like that with everything.
Why do I do this to myself? I thought I never would touch this ever again.
Yeah. Cutter?
I don't know how because I think this is the signal over here, right? That was already here. If I unplug this, will it actually, what's this? That's the signal. I think so. That's the signal, right?
Yeah. No. This is fine. You can leave it here. I'm just going to be very careful.
Wow.
So these sometimes never come off. See if you can pop that off. What is this?
Like the cap?
Yeah.
Oh man. Am I supposed to drain the oil before installing this? Wait, yeah? Oh no?
Can't get it right.
No, it kind of hurts.
Yeah. So, just grab the tool.
Wow. Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, exactly. So this pops in here, so you never lose it. We're probably gonna get a little bit of oil coming out of the oil filter since you've been driving your car. But I was hoping that by now it might have drained back. Hopefully. Yeah, majority of it drained back. So can you put this up there?
Genius!
So, yeah.
That's not the adapter plate thing?
No, this is just the spacer.
Oh, the
So
spacer.
spaces the standard plate back a little bit.
Oh. Yeah, if you guys haven't guessed, I'm going with the Perrin one because, yeah, why not? Try it out. Worst case scenario, I'll just come back to T's place. He has a bunch of car parts, man. It's like a shop. You can just search and buy things.
Hoarding parts.
Yeah, hoarding parts.
So you kind of want to just a little bit light lubrication. And it'll just sit there.
Oh, it doesn't actually screw into anything? Oh, there it is.
We need to fish this up there.
Okay, I need to put you guys down. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little disclaimer. Sorry guys for the horrible angle. Got my tripod on.
And so now we're gonna try to fish it in like that.
Oh, okay.
This here. And it helps that as much.
A few moments later.
Yep.
There it is.
then this just screws on once we cut.
There it is, guys. Chilling right there. And we gotta figure the situation out later. We're gonna mount that somehow. Crazy thing is, this literally came off of that car, and we're just going into my car right now. So it's pretty cool. Another man's trash is another man's treasure. It's not trash though. I'm not saying it's trash. But so it's gonna sit like right here, somewhere here in the middle. Probably gonna just mount it right here in the middle or something like that. Yeah, pretty simple install, man. Pretty easy, especially with T's help. He has all the right tools.
5 minutes later.
This is a Mocal sandwich plate, right? And one of the things I don't like about theirs is see how like this thing is like almost next to the bolt itself. So it's kind of hard to get a socket on it sometimes. This is a 27 socket. And see, like, even if it's on there, see how like this is preventing it from going on there?
Yeah.
So it's like a little cockeyed. So it's not ideal for you to just use this and tighten it, and you know, you're supposed to torque it up to like 35 foot-pounds. So if you do it just like this, you might get lucky and get it right, or if you don't, then it'll just round out because you'll slip.
Okay.
So get apart a little bit.
Hey, ghetto, bro. That's my car, man. Literally, zip ties, duct tape, you name it.
So you can kind of get like a bite like this. So you get both sides, and then just turn that, tighten it. Yeah, and then you try to keep doing that. See, that's as tight as I can get it with hand, like right here.
Yeah.
So another sheet right here.
Jeez, dude.
So now you have a little bit more leverage to turn it tighter. We just want to get it like almost like 30 foot-pounds at least, to the point where it's not loose. Because if you can like, you know, rotate it while it's on here, then you know it's loosening. So underneath this, there's a bolt that's supposed to be, you know, mounted to this plate right here.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I can show you.
Okay. Education, guys. Sorry, I didn't even ask you if you wanted to be on camera. My bad.
Okay.
Look at this man's garage, man. You guys see this?
Hoarding.
Hoarding. Look at all those wheels in the back.
So this thing right here, same thing, right? Same concept. It's supposed to be tightened up to like a certain amount of pounds, 35 if I remember right. So the thing that we just put on, it just mounts onto that to extend it so that you can put your oil filter back on top. So we're just gonna get as snug as we can. Okay. Obviously here we can't really fine tune and use a torque wrench.
Yeah.
We're just gonna get it tight to the point where we know that it's not gonna round up and slide off or like loosen by itself.
Few inches later.
Here, see if it's touching any metal or whatnot.
Make sure it's like not rubbing anywhere.
Yeah, exactly, like up here maybe. And then now we're just gonna find you a hole for these to put on, and then wherever you want to mount it.
Cool. Okay. That was really easy. I think it was easy because I'm holding the camera. I didn't have to do anything. How are we gonna mount the bracket here?
Yeah, so this we're just
Gonna
it
find
has
something
like
like
a
this.
it has like a I think it has threads. So like, see, these two have threads.
Okay.
So you just need to add a couple of threads into that. Should be good to go.
12 seconds later.
Okay. Find the hole. That's what I heard. Okay.
So here's what we'll do. We'll take this out. This 2 bolts right here. That's where this is gonna mount, right? So what we're gonna do to find a hole is we're just gonna take that center one off. That's where we're gonna put the bottom screw. Just go like that, and then there's your hole. You know, and then you just kind of have a mark right there.
Okay.
And then it will just make a hole and then tighten it from the bottom.
Cool.
Sound good?
Dude, he has his name on his own jacket.
Work jacket.
That's how you know you're legit, man.
Used to be work jacket.
You said you wanted to like mount it behind the crash beam.
Yeah, so we'll just measure out where we want to put it. We'll most likely put it like right back here.
Okay.
So that you're not hitting like this thing, making a noise. Ultimately up to you where you want to mount it. You can mount it up here, however you want to do it.
Yeah, we'll just put it like in the center.
middle.
Yeah, just make it easy. There's like tension on this, so this doesn't move too much. Alright guys, so we already marked the holes. We have our holes right here marked. Now we're just gonna drill it through and then send it. Yay, it's on, guys. We're done. Never touching this again.
Eventually you touch it.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch it again eventually. Always something to mess around with this car. I gotta hit this camera. Please just focus one time. Just so I can end the video. Please. There. Okay. Thank you.
Why?